First, let's add the FDE solver region to the simulation and edit its properties. In the General tab, we can set the background index, the simulation temperature, the solver type, and orientation. The most common solver orientation is 2DZ normal, which means the structure cross-section must be drawn in the XY plane, and the direction of propagation is Z. Note the simulation temperature is only used when an index perturbation material with temperature dependence is present in the simulation. In the Geometry tab, you will set the dimensions and position of the solver region. This will define the cross-section of the structure that's considered in the simulation. Any object outside the simulation region will be ignored.